Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to cut a part in half. So as example, you can create a rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to cut this part half, you can create new plan. I will go to design, click this plan tools, and I will select up this face. The next, use move tools to move the plane into the center of this rectangle. Now, as a sample like this, you can click to apply, and after it, to cut this part, we can use the split body. Click this icon, split body, select the body or part, and then for cuttings, you can select the plane object. Now, you can select the part to remove. Like I will click at this part to remove. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to cut a part in half. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.